Io mi chiamo Riccardo Termini.
My name is Riccardo Termini and I live in a small town in the Sicilian hinterland, Polizzi Generosa. And I will tell you about an ancient instrument, the Sicilian friscaletto, the king of our instruments, together with the tambourine and the marranzano. The friscaletto already we find it depicted in the times of Sicilioti, the Greeks of Sicily, in the 5th century before Christ. It has a melodious sound with 7 holes in the front and 2 in the back, and is made of reed that is harvested from November to March on the nights of the waning moon, and must rest for about 2 years before being used. The part where you put your mouth is made of olive wood, fig or oleander. As a child, I immediately fell in love with this sound. I was 8 years old, and in the towns of Sicily it happened that someone played it during the feasts. And I haven't forgotten it. I wanted to buy it, but I couldn't find it anywhere because they were built only by some skilled craftsmen. After a few years I managed to find it, and from that moment I decided not only that I had to learn how to play it, but also that I had to build it. And so, documenting myself with the elderly and gaining experience, I began this adventure. My dream is to pass on our traditions that absolutely must not be lost.
E non far perdere tra l'altro queste tradizioni.